Alright you guys, I had to break this video up. So this is part one of how to grow and monetize your Instagram account. What is up you guys? This is D back again with another amazing video. And as you can see on the screen, today we're going to talk about how to grow and monetize your Instagram accounts. Now, I don't mean in a long period of time. I mean very fast. I've been getting this question a lot from my clients, and I've been helping them try to grow some of their Instagram accounts. I manage a ton of different Instagram accounts for clients and stuff like that. So I wanted to kind of bring this to you guys as well, so you guys can actually utilize some of this information and some of my expertise, I guess you can say, since I've been doing it for quite some time. I've been using Instagram since day one of it coming out for the iPhone, not for the Android, but for the iPhone. So I went from Twitter to Instagram like directly, like right away. So, but that's neither here or there. Let's go ahead and jump right into the video, okay? All right, so first, what we're gonna be talking about is a couple things. Let's go over the list, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly, I'm gonna outline everything, what we're gonna be talking about in this slideshow. So you might want to grab a pen, some paper, or however you take notes, screenshots, I don't care, but just take notes because this is going to be very in-depth. I'm going to explain a lot of stuff for you guys. All right, so let's get into it. So first, creating your Instagram account the right way is what we're going to go over. All right, then we're going to talk about making your bio stand out and get clicks and getting clicks. All right. Then next we're going to go over content creation and scheduling. This is going to be very important because there's a method to this madness, okay? Then after that, we're going to talk about finding viral content. And what I mean by viral content, I mean double the average views and comment counts, the type of posts that you see that just go viral, that are always on the explore page, and basically doing that for you. It doesn't matter what you guys are using Instagram for. It could be affiliate programs, it could be a Shopify store. It doesn't matter. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to benefit from using Instagram, but using it the right way. All right. So then we're going to talk about using Instagram to grab your content, and basically why you can actually do that, why it's possible to actually do that. Okay. Then after that, we're going to talk about the current state of IG's algorithm, and I'm quite sure a lot of you guys want to know what's going on, how you can actually beat the algorithms, and so forth and so forth. And then after that, we're going to talk about a dedicated hashtag campaign. And you're probably asking, what is that? Because I misspelled it right there. But, you guys are probably asking, what is that? Well, we're going to get into that. I'm going to show you exactly how I harness the power of hashtags, because a lot of people don't. I see them doing it the wrong way. And I see a lot of people getting banned from using hashtags. So I'm going to show you guys all that. All right. So next thing what we're going to talk about is engagement, and basically engage to be engaged. Yeah, I know. I'm going to show you guys that. Then we're going to get into monetizing your account. All right. It's very easy. It's going to be simple. I'm going to show you some examples of accounts that are monetized, and then we're going to go from there. All right. So next we're going to talk about the tools I use to get explosive growth on my accounts. It's a few of them. So what you want to do is, two of my special tools I'm going to save to the end of the video, because these are my special sniper tools. These are the tools that I don't tell anyone. I don't tell clients. I don't tell anyone about these tools. So I'm letting that out the bag right now. All right. And one of these tools is free, and one is a paid one. But I'm going to show you guys how to get around, if you don't want to go the paid route, how to actually just use the one tool to benefit you the most. Okay. And then next after that, we're going to talk about just talk in general and go over a summary of the things that we spoke about. All right. So let's go ahead and get into creating your Instagram account the right way. All right. All right. So creating your Instagram account the right way. You want to first set your Instagram account up as a business account. That means connecting to a Facebook page or an already pre-existing Facebook account. And there's a couple of reasons why you want to do that. And one of the reasons is analytics. Analytics, more usage options, links in link to your pages and your story post. Once you get past a certain amount of followers, I think it's 10,000 right now, but don't worry about that. You'll be there very soon. And then, but Insight, the actual Instagram Insight, is where you can actually see your numbers, like, because the numbers don't lie. You want to know what your numbers are. You want to know how much a post is getting reached out, you know, to viewers and stuff like that. Because with the algorithm change, it has changed so much that in your current state right now, no matter who you are, I don't care if you're a business account, if you're a regular account, your posts are only, let's say you have 1,000 followers, right? Out of those 1,000 followers, your posts are only going to 7% of those followers, that they're actually being able to see that actual post. So I'm going to show you how to get around that as well, because there's some tips and tricks that you need to do to get around that. And these things need to happen within the first 9 to 30 minutes of your post being posted, okay? All right, so not only that, but with a business account, you're going to have the ability to promote products and services. All right, and you can be able to do that through the Facebook, the Facebook business profile to run Facebook ads, but you can run those directly to your Instagram, and then from there you can actually see what your numbers are looking like and stuff like that. All right, it's a business account, but you also get to be able to provide your direct contact of your company. Okay, so you can have an email address that people can just click on directly from your profile and send you an email. There's a way that you can actually go and put your telephone number in there, and they can click on it and call directly from the phone. So that's a very important thing. All right. So now let's get into making your bio stand out. Okay. So when you first setting up your bio and you want it to stand out, you want to create call to action segments in your bio. With Instagram, most users don't want to leave Instagram. So you have to persuade them to leave Instagram. Now you have to persuade them a couple different ways. You have to let them know in your stories. You have to let them know in your post. You have to let them know in your bio. But the way you want to do that is you don't want to kill them with promo. No. So the way I suggest you do it when you're creating these call to actions, and this is going to be a part of, when you actually creating your content and scheduling it as well. What I like to do, this is what I like to do. You can do it however you want to, but I usually go 6 posts in and then a call to action post, right? But what I'm doing, I have one account that I'm doing 3 posts in and a call to action post, and I'll let you guys know how that works. I'm also utilizing my stories to get more attention, because since it's a new account, I can't link to that direct link on that account to a website or anything like that. So what I'm doing is I'm taking that and I'm having people go to my profile, or I'm having them go directly to a specific post. Like I'll make a post that says, hey, just posted another post, go check it out, like it, comment, blah, 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 whatever, and I'll get into the engagement part, but I make it very engaging. Okay. So let me show you exactly kind of what a profile, call to action profile looks like. Okay. So now you see this profile, it has the profile name. You see how they talk, right? You see in a chapter in a book waiting to be written, motivation, success, money, not like other pages, follow to success. Now here's another tip. Now what this account isn't using, and I've been doing really, really good with my local businesses, some of my accounts as well, but it really, really works really, really well with local businesses. But inside of, okay, so I have photography company, right? In order for me to get more visitors to that page, what I have my client do is I have him put in his bio Philadelphia photographer or LA photographer, or you can break it down and go a lot lower, because think about it like this. What are people doing when they search for something? They're usually typically using hashtags to search for something, or they're using a word that Instagram can directly associate with an hashtag. Like, let's say Texas, but you want to go specific, so you want to go Dallas photographer, hashtag Dallas photographer, or hashtag Boston dog trainer. You understand what I'm saying? So inside of the bio, find a place to actually put a major focus relevant to your niche, business, service, or whatever it is you're doing. Hashtag, okay? So you want to put that inside of your bio, all right? Now, do you see the section where it says call, email? These are where you're going to put your contacts at. If you want to allow people to call you, then that's fine. If you're a business like a brick and mortar business, or you have a business that has some type of back end customer service, then by all means put it in there. But for most businesses, a lot of people, they don't have that structure set up, so they just use the actual email address itself. All right, so I'm going to show you, let me go ahead and show you another one. Okay, so this is Rich Dope God, 15,000 followers, following 130. Now, do you see how inside of the bio they use hashtags, right? Are you getting that? Are you grasping that? You grasping how you break this down? Are you grasping how you're creating a call to action? You want people to know what you're about, and you want them to say, hey, click on my link. Here's my link. You see how the link is structured? Warning, 2 emojis, nice and bright. Oh, whoa, warning on what? Like this creates a feeling to people like, oh, well, why, what? Oh, link is only for real men only. Oh, I'm a real man, so I got to click on that link. So be creative in your call to actions in your bio. All right. So again, so check out the hashtags. It has luxury, lifestyle, travel, cars, right? Then Instagram's best content. So they're telling you exactly what they're going to be providing you, right? And then they're telling you the niche that they're in. They're in a luxury, lifestyle, travel niche. I actually have one of these type of Instagram accounts that I personally run for myself. And all we do is Amazon affiliates. And you will be amazed how successful it is, okay? But we're in a really, really tight niche. So it's amazing how we have it structured, all right? So now let's look at the call to action. Call to action, warning, link is for real men only. That's going to strike an emotion, okay? That's going to be like, hey, if you look at that and then you don't click, like, that's going to kind of make you feel some type of way, right? So call to action. And then you look at the link structure. We already know that link is an Amazon affiliate. So as soon as you click on that, it's going to take you to a wide variety of Amazon affiliate products. And every time somebody purchases from there, they're going to get a commission, right? All right. So now let's talk about content creation and scheduling. All right, here we go. So this is really, really important, you guys. And I can't stress this section of this presentation the most, because regardless of any tools, I don't care what you have. I don't care if you have the holy grail of Instagram tools. It's just not going to work if you can't structure and put this together this way, right? So number one, you want to plan your content. Have a solid plan of the content you want to be known for. This all depends on what you're promoting, right? Let's say you're in the health and fitness niche. It takes literally no time to plan out 30 days worth of content. It takes no time. You can actually set this on autopilot and just let it go. All right. So I use free services for this part, and one of those is Canva. So typically on my Sundays, which is my relaxed day, my content creation day, I don't take any calls. I don't talk to clients. I don't talk to anybody except for friends and family. That's it. And still, like, you have to have something to really talk about in order for me to take myself away from my Sundays, because my Sundays are very special to me since I work so hard from Monday to Saturday. All right. So I sit here from Friday and Saturday, I'm planning out my content that I want to start creating for Sunday. Okay. Since those are work days, I'm taking an hour out of each day and I'm planning out my content. It takes no time. I typically plan content a lot, in within that Friday. The day as soon as I, log off, I don't sit at the computer and plan the content. I like to get away from the computer to plan my content because it gets my brain moving at a different pace. All right. Then once I have that content set up and structured, then I like to, on Sunday, I sit here and I schedule all that content. And I use Hootsuite to schedule all my content. With Canva, they have a section inside of Canva. And I'm sorry, I don't mean to, backtrack, but I just want to say this real quick. They have a section in Canva that's specifically for Instagram content. So when you first sign up for Canva, there's a search field. You just put Instagram, start typing out Instagram, and it's going to say Instagram post or stories. Or maybe I think it says post feed or stories. So you just select post feed, and that'll be for your feed, right? And if you want to put something in story, then they create the content for the story, which is amazing.